Good morning, student. Student, as you know, your new chapter of the half-yearly examination, Why Do We Fall Ill, completed in last previous classes. Okay, I hope you are all make your notes in your fair copy. I hope, student, and complete your all notes accordingly till today. Okay, student, I will revise some extra exercises of this chapter today. So, all of you ready? Write down some extra question, extra question and extra explanation about some question in your classwork. All of you get ready. I have write down some question and you are write down in your copy. Okay. Suppose I am going to take the book. Today is 9th of December 2020, class 9th, biology of subject science, of subject science. Okay, student, you are know about the diseases, vectors and mode of spread of diseases. What is microorganism, what is vector, what is pathogen, and what is the vaccine. Below 2 to 3 years, vaccine. Name the diseases, which vaccines are used in which diseases. I hope you are all know about the my explanation of this chapter. Suppose, student, biology. Just as for revision, topic revision from chapter Why Do We Fall Ill. Suppose, student, give an question 1. Give an example. Give an example of the disease caused by first protozoa, second bacterium, and virus, Third, virus, virus. Okay, and fourth, worm. Worm. Okay. Student, as you know, there are so many diseases are caused by the protozoa, virus, worms. Okay. So write down some diseases which is caused by the protozoa, caused by the bacteria. I am already given this in the last previous classes. Answer. First, protozoa. You can write down protozoa. Malaria. Okay. You can write down malaria. Kalazar. 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 Write down so many examples. Kalazar. Sleeping sickness. Sleeping sickness. Okay. Sleeping sickness. Dysentery. DYSENTERY. TERY. And giardiasis. GIARDIASIS. So you can write down any one, but learn all these. Second, by bacteria. There are so many diseases are caused by the bacteria. Typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis. TY, typhoid, cholera, TUBERCULOSIS. Typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis. Anthrax, diphtheria, tetanus. Anthrax, TETANUS, tetanus. DIPHTHERIA. In this chapter, generally these types of question and their vectors. Suppose malaria caused by the female Anopheles mosquitoes. Okay, female Anopheles mosquito. Kalazar by sandfly. And third, virus, virus. So many diseases are caused by the virus. Write down virus. Dengue fever, SARS, SARS, DENGUE, dengue fever. Common cold. Okay. Common cold, AIDS, measles, mumps, AIDS, MEASLE, measles, polio. Okay. Polio, Smallpox, chickenpox. Yes, smallpox. CHIKEN, chickenpox. Smallpox, chickenpox. Swine flu. Swine flu. Okay. H1N1. H1N1. etc. And fourth is worm. There are so many diseases are caused by the worms, like the Escherichia, filaria, okay, if you write down, Peniasis, PAENIASIS, Peniasis, okay, by type of Escherichia, ASCARIASIS. Write down, student, in your class work. Now I am going to second type of question. Write down. Identify the diseases which spread through the following means. Question: identify the disease, okay, which spread through the, which spread through the following means. Also name the target organ. Also name the target organ. Organs. Okay, like first, by a sexual contact. B, mosquitoes. MOSQUITOES. C, by air. So answer A, by sexual contact. What diseases are caused by the sexual contact? Student, generally you know AIDS, syphilis, write down. HIV, AIDS, immune system. HIV, AIDS means are the target. HIV and diseases AIDS and which affect the organ is immune system. Immune system. T LYM lymphocytes. B by mosquito, MOSQUITOES. Mosquitoes, generally malaria, MALARIA. Malaria. This damage the liver. Okay, damage the liver and RBCs, red blood cells. C by air. Tuberculosis. Air. TUBERCULO. Tuberculosis. Affect the lung. Okay, suppose student, I am giving some clues. You can learn the different diseases and the target organs. Okay, suppose hepatitis B affect the liver. Suppose all mosquito generally damage the liver and red blood cells. Sleeping sickness or Kala-Azar or malaria, they damage our liver and red blood cells. Okay. Suppose one can name two diseases which are controlled by vaccine. Name two diseases two viral disease. Write down viral disease. Okay, two viral diseases which can be prevented by using VACCI vaccines. Okay, Answer student, influenza. Okay, write down influenza type B and polio. COVID-19 also, chickenpox, smallpox, measles, MMS. So many examples. Student, I have already explained about why antibiotics not work in the viral diseases. Viral diseases are generally not their own biochemical pathway. It is just follow the our or the host biochemical cycles. So generally antibiotics are not work on the viral diseases. Because suppose penicillin is an antibiotic which is effective only against bacterial pathogens like jaundice in a viral infection, smallpox, universal vaccination. Because same, they are not kill the biochemical cycle of the body of the microorganism. There are some antibiotics which kill the cell wall of the microorganism, DNA replication of the microorganism, because DNA, RNA and cell wall they synthesis by the microorganism and increase their number in the body. Suppose some drug are not question. Some drug does not work against microbes belong to different group. Why? Question. Some drugs does not work against the microbes, stop, belonging to different groups, okay. Why? State the mechanism of antibiotics in killing bacteria. Write down, student. used to killing pathogens. Kill pathogens kill pathogens. Okay, kill pathogens by blocking their, by BLOCKI, blocking their metabolic pathway. Metabolic pathway. Okay, so different pathogens, different groups of pathogens have different metabolic, have different metabolic system. Okay, therefore, so different sets of medicine, so different sets of medicines are used. Medicines are used for treating different types of diseases. Penicillin kills, okay, kills BACTE, bacterial cell wall through their synthesis. Okay, penicillin, streptomycin inhibit the ribosome synthesis. Ciprofloxacin inhibit Write down homework. Write down all exercises of NCERT book of chapter Why Do We Fall Ill from NCERT book. Okay, and write down some other exercises which are important, which are generally common in the examination. So, student, all of you write down very carefully all exercises also in your fair copy. Thank you. Have a nice day. Mention the date and write down the today's exercises. I hope you are all write down. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.